Hey guys, I'm back again. This time we're going to feature BlockSurvey. So they are the future of forms and surveys with the integration of AI and Web3 technology, and also that includes data privacy as well. Now, I know that you have experience in creating and submitting details in various forms and surveys, such as the SurveyMonkey, the Google Forms, and the Typeform, and other similar ones out there. But the thing is, once you have submitted your details, so you have no data ownership and user privacy. And for me, that's not good at all. That's the reality of Web2 platforms that are specifically for creating forms and surveys. And this is where Web3 comes in. Any kind of platform, especially when it comes to forms and surveys, expect that not only that you own the data, but it also assures your user privacy as well, in which it is something that we could look forward to. This is what I really embraced about the Web3 technology. I am really bullish about that. So before we proceed with the discussion about BlockSurvey, make sure that you smash the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. And please take note that I am not promoting any financial or investment advice. So it's only intended for educational and informative purposes, just to be fair and transparent to all. So if you choose to check this out, well, that's on you already. Your money, your decision, your risk, your responsibility. Well, in other words, stay safe and participate at your own risk. So kindly acknowledge the disclaimer that I have right here in this video and in the description. So you could see that we could get started for free, or we could request a demo. So there is no credit card required, no time limit on free account. But of course, guys, they have a subscription plans as well, in which I am going to show it to you to see the difference between the free and the paid. Okay. And if you want to know how it works, well, you can see this explainer video on how BlockSurvey works and why we should choose a BlockSurvey, in which this is something that I am really looking forward to, in which we own our data, in our decentralized private storage. So the BlockSurvey doesn't see our data, it's our data. And we have the full control over it. That means to say, we don't expect any data leaks and breaches. As it is decentralized, so we own the keys to the kingdom. And of course, on top of that, it protects the privacy of the respondents. So let's say I encountered a survey that is created by BlockSurvey, and when I am going to submit my data, so we don't need to worry about our privacy. There will be no more ads, trackers, and cookies. That's the edge of the BlockSurvey, and it is powered by artificial intelligence. We all know, guys, that AI has been trending for months. Starting out with ChatGPT, and then there are so many AI tools from various aspects of life that we could utilize to make us even more productive at a faster pace. So this is what BlockSurvey has it for us. And of course, over 500 members are already trusted this kind of platform, such as Brave, Stocks, and more. And you could see this real testimonials on their official X, as what you see right here. And of course, here are the other details on everything that you need about BlockSurvey. You could see, guys, that when you're going to use the BlockSurvey, it has a white label feature. Like, you want to maximize your brand, so they have a white label feature for you. And it has so many integrations as well. And of course, just to name a few, we have the email autoresponders, the widgets, and has built-in analytics and so much more. And it was loved by these guys. Okay. And you could see some of their achievements. So it was secure by design, it's for everyone, and it was HIPAA compliant. It was SOC 2 Type 2 certified. And of course, they respect our data, in which we own them, just like what I mentioned. So there are more than 500 companies who are already using BlockSurvey across 50 plus countries. And you could see the frequently asked questions like, how is this different? Okay, so if I'm going to open this, so it enables digital rights for users like us, especially for you who are watching this video. Recently, guys, there are many cases about data leaks or breaches or so, especially in some government sites, university websites, and more. Now, with BlockSurvey, guys, we don't expect that. There will be no data breach or leaks, even if BlockSurvey will be compromised because they do not own our data. So, if the hacker is going to compromise this, well, it doesn't have access to the user's data. So that's how BlockSurvey stands out from the other Web2 platforms out there, okay? And if you want to read some other questions, well, you could browse them right here and other details that you need to know. Now it's time for us to explore the dashboard of BlockSurvey. So let's say I'm going to sign up for free. So we can sign up using our emails, socials, their state-of-the-art BlockSurvey wallet, or some EVM compatible wallet. So let's say we want to sign up with a BlockSurvey wallet. So I'm going to click on this. And then it says there is a secret key, 24 words that prove it's you. So before you proceed, make sure that you download these 24 phrases. Okay. So just like non-custodial wallets, guys, so once you lost these phrases, your access will be gone forever. So it's better for you to save these phrases somewhere that is safe and is unforgettable. If I were you guys, you should write it down on a piece of paper or notebook and keep it somewhere safe, okay? Now, you can see the dashboard here, guys. We could create from scratch using AI template or request a demo. This is where you could see your items and of course your templates, the responses, and let's say you want to remove one of your surveys, so you can see it here in the trash section. And of course they have analytics, the settings, and of course the help center. All right, and let's say you want to have a custom domain. This is the guide, guys, on adding your domain name, and you must have an existing hosting domain provider for this one, okay? And then you just have to follow instructions. Let's say I am more intrigued in using the AI. So we have options here like prompt, document, URL, and large text. And of course, if you can see, this is a sample prompts, just to give you an idea. Let's say I want to do this. Create a post-event feedback form for event name participants. So since I am an event organizer myself, let's say Web3 Unleashed. So this is the name of the event that me and my colleagues have organized last month. So let's say we generate questions. So it says hang on for 30 to 60 seconds. It only takes seconds, for this questions to appear. So we have the option to remove or to make more of these questions aside from this. Okay. And then I am going to click create once I'm satisfied. So we are here in the design section. You can change your question here. And of course, you can see the scale, from 5 to 10. And of course, for the stars, so you can choose, your logo for the ratings. Let's see, how would you rate the event overall? So, for example, I'm going to increase the scale to 10. And then if you could see the preview, it's already at 10. And of course, you could see some of the options here. And of course, for the logic, the assignment, and of course, the feedback and more. And for the question type, guys, so you could actually choose here the rating, short text, phone number, or so on. Okay. And what's interesting, guys, is that if you could see right here for the Web3 identity verification, so you could see that they have like 8 networks here, especially Bitcoin. So you could actually edit them one by one if you wanted to, like you want to customize it. And you can also customize like add question by type, add questions with AI, and add thank you screen. Okay. And let's say, guys, we go to the share. So we share to collect responses. So right now it's just blocksurvey.io. And of course, for integration, so we could integrate our forms and surveys by embedding the HTML code, the widget, and the webhooks. And we could actually copy and paste them right here, guys, okay, on our websites. And for the responses, so this is how it looks like for the responses. And also you can see the analytics. Let's say I want to publish it just to show you. Okay, so I'm going to publish. So we select the custom domain, and here's a web URL to share. You can see the meta information. They have an upgrade option here. So just like I mentioned, they have free and paid version, in which I'm going to show it to you a bit. And we have the option, guys, to share this to socials as well. So I have copy pasted. So let's say I want to do this next. How satisfied are you? Okay, let's say very satisfied, assuming that I am one of the attendees. Okay. Next. How likely are you to recommend? Let's say 8. And then did the event meet your expectations? What did you like the most about the event? Let's say I like about the topics. So I'll click next. What did you like the least about the event? Let's say venue is not that big. That's just an assumption. Were the topics covered relevant and interesting? Let's say yes. Did you find the speakers? So let's say yes. Were the sessions well-paced and informative? So here we go, yes. Did you find the networking opportunities valuable? Yes. And finally, do you have any suggestions? Let's say this is my suggestions. So I click submit. So it says, thank you for your time. You could see that's how it is. And of course, about the upgrade option. So let's try to access this. You can see the plans, for the standard, the premium, and the team. So right now we are in a free account. So you can see the difference. The premium is the recommended one, as they have mentioned. They're not running ads and they're not selling our data. Just like I mentioned earlier, we own our data and not the platform. And of course, you can see the other features, if you're into premium or into the team. For every additional user, guys, it really charge some additionals, and it could be up to 20 users. Just to give you an idea. So that's just about it regarding BlockSurvey. At least I have shared to you on what makes them stand out over the other Web2 forms and surveys out there, because they are using the decentralized blockchain technology, and it has user privacy, and they are not owning our data, no ads whatsoever. When you're going to create your own form or survey, for your product, a business, event, or so much more. And I'm just glad that they're utilizing the Web3 technology, in which we fully own the data that we have here as both the user and the survey or form participant. The use case is really impressive. So there have it, guys, that I have shared to you regarding BlockSurvey, especially their features, their dashboard, especially in showing you the actual way in creating your own survey or form right here on BlockSurvey, and so much more. So if you want to check out BlockSurvey, guys, I would really appreciate if you're going to use all of the resource links that I have provided right here on the video description. So I would really appreciate some honest feedback from you guys regarding BlockSurvey, whether if it's positive or negative, or if you have some questions that were not covered right here in this video review of mine. I would try my best to answer them for you, or you can just simply head over to the official social channels of BlockSurvey and get in touch with the real admins and mods to potentially answer your queries. And of course, just a reminder, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit like, and turn on the notifications for more videos regarding crypto and Web3. And if you think that this video is quite helpful and valuable to you, kindly do not hesitate or think twice in sharing this to your friends out there, especially those who are so enthusiastic regarding surveys, creating their own forms, crypto, Web3, and more. So I do have a question for you. Did you enjoy watching this video? Has this video helped you a lot and gives value in any way? And what do you think about it? Just let me know right here in the comment section. So once again, this is Nomad Fury, and I'll see you all on my next video.